Yeah, storm swept through last night, 60 to 80 mile an hour winds. Blew over all of our umbrellas. And blew the tree over out front. Yeah, the guy behind us, he has like 6 big umbrellas. They're all knocked down. Yep. Hey, look at that sunrise. Let's see. Yeah, got a little glow from the window over there. Now this is what I walked out to this morning. You saw the backyard. There's the tree out front. We've lost 3 trees. One big one out back, windstorm. And then one right out here front, in the front. It'll be interesting to see how many trees have been knocked down. Anyway, such as it is in life, huh? Got to call somebody to come out and take it out of there. Have a good one.